my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be doing the 60s inspired Twiggy look. We're gonna pretend like I wasn't on a hiatus for like 6 months. We're just gonna... That didn't happen, it's in the past, didn't happen. So, anyways, let's get on to the look. Starting with primer, and I leave it on my skin for like 5 minutes before I put on foundation. If you didn't know, I was collabing with the sticky note named Darell. He's camera shy, so don't mind him. He will just peep through. Putting on concealer for all the years that I've been sleep deprived, and I'm putting it like this so it gives the more lifted effect to my eyes. I'm going in with cream contour, and I'm contouring the sides of my nose, the end of my nose, and then like right where like the nose bridge ends and like the tip of your nose is to give like the button effect. And then going in with a beauty blender just to soften it up. Setting with a translucent powder so the cream doesn't move. Going in with a brow pencil, I'm just shaping my brows, making the tail longer because my tail of my eyebrow decided to leave in middle school. It couldn't take the heat, so it's just gone now. Now using the spoolie part just to soften up the look, and then I go in with a concealer just to clean up the edges. I primed my eyes with a cream-based primer, and now I'm moving on to a blue eyeshadow. So I take the blue eyeshadow and I have it just above my natural crease to give that mod kind of eye look, and I have the tail of the eyeshadow pointing downwards. Going in with a black shadow and a really tiny angled brush, and I'm just outlining the blue. Adding white to the inner corners just to brighten it up. Using a fine felt tip liner, I'm taking my wing and I'm having it more straight and downwards than the more traditional cat eye work. Now for the bottom lash line, you're creating faux lashes and making sure to keep the one in the center pointing down, and then the two on the outer corner facing out and the two in the inner corner facing in. Now I'm curling my lashes, putting on mascara and falsies. I'm contouring with a more cool tone brown so it gives a more sculpted look than a bronze look. Adding blush to the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose just to give you that cutesy like wow I'm blushing kind of vibe, you know? Now I'm adding highlighter to my cheekbones, to my cupid's bow, the inner corners of my eyes, and my nose as well. So I'm taking this unsharpened lip liner and I'm just dragging it just above my lip line just to give a more fuller look. I'm adding an orange tone lip gloss just to finish off the look. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please follow me on other social medias that will be linked down below. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thank you guys. Bye. bye!